This program is made possible by the friends and partners of Awake Ministries in this area.
And you shall receive power when the Holy Spirit comes upon you.
It's God who made heaven and earth. He wants to live inside of you. He wants to change your life for your good.
When you connect to God, the supernatural becomes natural. The favor of God. When everybody thinks it's finished for you, God has just begun for you. When everybody thinks you're going down, you begin to rise up. The favor of God. That's what God will do for you. All you need to do is keep your eyes fixed on God. This month we've kept as a month for financial breakthrough.
जशी तुम्ही जाणा की हो म्हयनो आमी दवरलेले आसा पयशाच्या विस्मिता पासून मागणी करपाक.
So if you're going through any crisis in your finances, we have been led. I've been led in my spirit to pray this month specifically for breakthrough in your financial situation.
तर तुमी तो पयशाच्या खंयच्या आकांतांसान वयतना विशयांसान वयता जाल्यार देवान म्हाका सांगलेलें आसा मागणी करपाक तुमच्या पासून पयशाच्या बाबतीन.
But before we go into praying for breakthroughs in finances and that God would multiply and prosper, because Christians, those who believe in Jesus, are called to be prosperous.
जी कोण जेजू क्रिस्ताचे स्वत मानता तांकां आपोवणें आसा आमी विस्मीत पळोवपाक समृद्धी पळोवपाक.
That we would see in every area of our life that we would be blessed.
की आमी दर एकट्या आमच्या जिविताच्या जाग्याचेर आशिर्वादीत आसपाक.
If anybody tells you that no, if you're you believe in Jesus, that means you have got to suffer. Yeah, suffering for the gospel, yes. But if you're only called to suffer, I think that's one of the biggest lies the devil has been telling us.
तुका तर कोणें अशें सांगलेलें आसा तूं आतां जेजू क्रिस्ताचें स्वत मानता जाल्यार तुवें सोंसूंकूच जाय जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता तें सगळ्याचें कोण फोट जावन आसा जी देव सर तुका
सांगता. Because in John 10:10 Jesus says, I have come to give life.
कित्याक जोआचें शुभ वर्तमान 10 वरेन जेजू असो सांगता की हांव येयलोलो आसा जिवीत दिवपाक.
Abundant life.
सुभामपणाचें
जिवीत. That's the promise of God for you and me.
ती जावन आसा देवाची भासाण तुज्या आनी म्हाज्या पासत.
So before we begin to pray for breakthrough in your financial situations, we need to follow God's principles in our
तर आमी
lives.
तुमच्या पासून मागणी करच्या आदी की तुमी विस्मीत पळोवपाक पयशाच्या बाबतीन आमी पळोवंक जाय देवाचे नेम पाडूंक जाय आमी आमच्या जिवितान.
I want to speak today about this wonderful man named Abraham.
आयज हांव ह्या विस्मिताच्या मनशा विशीं उलोवंक सोदता एब्राहमा विशीं.
We all, like those who read the Bible, I'm sure you've heard of him, you've read of him, and he's such an amazing character.
जी कोणी बायबल वाचलेलो आसा हांव जाणां तुमी आयकलां आसतलें ना वाचलां आसतलें ह्या मनशा विशीं.
But the beauty of this man Abraham was in everything that he did, he prospered.
आमी पळयता सोबीत काय ह्या मनशा विशीं की दर एक वस्त तो करतालो तितून तो फळादीक जातालो.
In fact, if you read Genesis 21 verse 22.
And it came to pass at that time that Abimelech and Phicol, the commander of his army, spoke to Abraham, saying, God is with you in all that you do.
God is with you in all that you do.
देव तुज्या सांगात आसा सगळी वस्ती ज्यो करता तितून.
How could this unbeliever, this Gentile, this ruler who does not know the God of Abraham, okay,
कसो काय अनुभवार्थी अधिकारी आसलो तो जो इब्राहिमाच्या देवाक वळखून आसलेलो
begins to confess that God is with you, Abraham.
तो पाचारूंक लागलो की देव तुज्या सांगात आसा इब्राहिम
Because Abraham was blessed by the Lord.
कित्याक आमी पळयता इब्राहिमाचेर आशीर्वाद घातलो देवान
You see, when the world will see you blessed,
जेन्ना संसार तुका पळयतलो की तूं आशीर्वादीत आसा तो
out of their lips they are going to confess,
ती आपल्या तोंडांसान पाचारतली
the God that you serve is with you.
ज्या देवाक तूं नमस्कार करता तो तुज्या सांगात
The
आसा
God that you call upon,
ज्या देवाक तूं उलो मारता
and the God that we call upon, his name is
आनी ज्या देवाक आमी उलो मारता तेजें नांव कितें
Jesus.
जेसू
You see, Jesus is with you.
जेजू तुज्या सांगात आसा
Jesus is blessing you.
जेजू तुजेर बेसांव घालता
You see, when you look into this man, Abraham, we will learn one principle of his life
जेन्ना आमी
today.
इब्राहिमाच्या जिवितान पळयता आमी एक नेम शिकतले आयज तेच्या जिविता कडच्यान
Abraham was a giver.
इब्राहिम दिवपी
He
आसलेलो
was a giver.
तो देणार आसलेलो
And you know, something about him is he gave, or he was a giver, not when he began to be blessed, much before he began to be blessed.
आणि आमी पळयता तो देणार आसलेलो तो आशीर्वादीत जाले उपरांत न्हय पूण आशीर्वाद जावच्या आदींच तो देणार आसलेलो
He was financially well,
तो पयशांच्या बाबतींत बरो आसलेलो
but he was lacking in one area.
पूण एक जाग्यार तेका उणेपण
He had
आसलेलें
no child
तेका भुरगें
from
नासलें
his wife Sarah.
तेजी बायल सारा कडच्यान
And God had given him a promise.
आनी देवान तेका बासावणी दिलेली
Let's turn to all those promises today. In Genesis chapter 12,
उत्पत्तीच्या पुस्तकान 12व्या विस्वरान
let's go from verse 1 till verse 3.
पहिले ती तिसरी वळ
Now the Lord had said to Abram, Get out of your country, from your family, and from your father's house, to a land that I will show you. I will make you a great nation. I will bless you and make your name great, and you shall be a blessing. I will bless those who bless you, and I will curse him who curses you, and in you all the families of the earth shall be blessed.
Okay. Now, Abraham is around 75 years of age at the time God gave him his promise.
आता आमी पळयता इब्राहिम 70 आनी 5 वर्सांचो आसलो जेन्ना देवान तेका बासावणी दिलेली
Anybody here, God has given you a promise that you're going to be blessed?
कोण सांगासो देवान तुमकां बासावणी दिली आसा की तुमी आशीर्वादीत जातले म्हणून
Yes? Even if you've not heard or a brother has not spoken over your life, if you've read the Bible, God has spoken through the Bible that you are called to be blessed.
तुम्ही आयकोंक ना पासून जेन्ना ब्रदरान पासून उलोवंक नासलेले जाल्यार तुमी तर बायबल वाचलेलो आसा जाल्यार देव तुमकां सांगता की तुमी आशीर्वादीत जावपाक आपोवणी आसा तुमकां
Because sometimes you may not hear an audible voice or somebody may not come and prophesy, but when you read the Bible, the word speaks to you that you are blessed.
केन्ना केन्ना जायत करी तुवें मोठ्यान देवाचो आवाज आयकोंक आसतलो ना जाल्यार ब्रदरान येवन तुजेर अशी भाखणी करूंक नासतली पूण तूं जेन्ना बायबल वाचता तेन्ना देवाचें उतर तुका सांगता की तूं आशीर्वादीत जावपाचो आसा
Now,
म्हणून.
Abraham is 75 years of age approximately,
आतां इब्राहिमाक पळोवंक गेल्यार 70 आनी 5 वर्साचो जाल्लो आसा तो
and God is giving him a promise.
आनी देव तेका बासावणी दिता
When we go to Genesis chapter 14,
उत्पत्तीच्या पुस्तकान 14व्या विस्वरान पळोवंक गेल्यार
now we see what Abraham starts doing. Genesis 14 verse 18 onwards, 18 to 20.
Then Melchizedek, the king of Shalem, brought out bread and wine. He was the priest of God Most High. And he blessed him and said, Blessed be Abraham of God Most High, possessor of heaven and earth. And blessed be God Most High, who has delivered your enemy into your hand. And he gave him a tithe of all.
And Abraham gave him a tenth of everything.
आमी पळयता इब्राहिमान तेका 10वो वांटो दिलो सगल्याचो
Abraham gave him a tenth of everything that he owned.
इब्राहिमान तेका 10वो वांटो दिलो सगळे ज्यो वस्ती तेज्यो आसलेल्यो
The promises had not yet been fulfilled.
आतां बासावणी तेजी पुरावी जावंक नासली देवान दिलेली ती
Because God had told Abraham, I'm going to make of you a great nation.
कित्याक देवान इब्राहिमाक सांगलें हांव तुजे कडच्यान एक व्हडतें राष्ट्र
You see,
करतलो
the
म्हणून
word nation means a great people group.
आतां राष्ट्रीय उतराचो अर्थ जावन आसा एक व्हडतो लोकांचो जमो
That means I'm going to give you a great descendant. I'm going to make you, I'm going to give you lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of babies and babies and babies and babies.
म्हणल्यार हांव तुजी ससूद व्हडती करतलो म्हटल्यार तुका हांव खूब आनी खूब आनी खूब आनी खूब भुरगीं दितलो
I like the English way. Babies and babies and babies and babies and babies.
भुरगीं आनी भुरगीं आनी भुरगीं आनी भुरगीं आनी जायतीं भुरगीं
Now, Genesis 12, he's getting the promise.
आतां 12व्या विसवरान ताका भाखणी मेळटा
Genesis 14, he's still not seen babies,
आतां 14व्या विसवरान अजून लेगीत तेणें भुरगीं पळोवंक ना
but he's still giving.
पूण तरी दिता तो
How many of us we tell God, God, you bless me and then I'll give?
कितलीं जाणां आमी अशीं देवाक सांगता देवा तूं पयलीं म्हाजें बेसांव घाल आनी मागीर हांव दितां
God bless me,
देवा बेसांगा
then I'll give.
मागीर हांव
I'm
दिता
sure many of you have that mindset.
जायते जाणांची अशीच आसतली मूत
But that's not the way God works.
पूण त्या भशेन देव काम करिना
God says, you give, I'll bless.
देव म्हणटा तू पयलीं दी आनी मागीर हांव बेसांव
You see,
घालतलो
5 loaves and 2 fish.
5 उणे आनी 2 नुस्तीं
First he had to give.
पयलीं ताणें दिवचें पडलें
Then the blessing came.
मागीर बेसांव येयलें
You see the widow at Zarephath.
आमी ती विधवा बायलेक पळोवंक गेले जारीफातांतली
Till she gave, she did not see the blessing.
ज्या पर्यंत तिणी दिवंक ना तिणी बेसांव पळोवंक ना
First she had to give.
पयलीं तिणी दिवचें
Then
पडलें
came the blessing.
मागीर बेसांव येयलें
You see, God's principles work very differently from yours and mine.
देवाचे नेम सामके वेगळे जावन आसा तुज्या आनी म्हाज्या नेमा परस
माझे काम जावन दी मागीर हांव देवाचो वांटो देवाक दिता. देवाचे नेम तशें चलना. God's principles are very clear. He says, you love me not because I've given you the job, but because of who I am.
देव असं सांगता तुका तू म्हजो मोग कर हांवें तुका काम दिलां म्हणून न्हय पूण हांव कोण आसा त्या पासून म्हाजो
So
मोग
we
कर
see in Genesis 14, Abraham is giving.
तर 14व्या विस्वरान पळयता उत्पत्तीच्या एब्राहिम दिता
Genesis 15,
15व्या विस्वरान
verses 9 and 10.
9 आनी 10 वळेन
So he said to him, bring me a 3 years old heifer, a 3 years old female goat, a 3-year-old ram, a turtle dove, and a young pigeon. Then he brought all this to him and cut them into down the middle and placed each piece opposite the other, but he did not cut the bird in two.
Now again, Abraham is bringing an offering unto the Lord.
आतां आमी पळयता एब्राहिम परतो बेटोवणी हाडटा देवा
In
मुखार
Genesis 15, in the first few verses, we will see again God is speaking a promise over Abraham.
15व्या विस्वरान पयलीं आदीच्यो वळी पळोवंक गेल्यार आनी एक बासावणी दिता देव तेका
It seems that God is only promising and promising and promising and nothing is happening,
आमी
right?
पळयता देव तेका बासावणी दीत आसा पूण कांयच जायना
You see, if you and I had not read the story of Isaac's birth, जरी तर तुवें आनी हांवें आयझॅकाची काणी वाचूंक नासली जाल्यार आमी आख्खी साराची काणी आयझॅकाची काणी आख्खी नॉको हाडली जाल्यार आनी आमी स्टेप बाय स्टेप जशे भाशेन तुजी काणी स्टेप बाय स्टेप उक्ते जातात आनी एक स्टेपा प्रमाणे तुका एक देव आतां बासावणी दिता आय एम प्रॉमिसिंग यू आय एम गोइंग टू गिव यू मेनी बेबीज नादर स्टेप कम्स आय एम प्रॉमिसिंग यू आय एम गिविंग यू मेनी बेबीज and you're going on blessing, giving, and babies cannot be seen only.
आतां बासावणी दीत आसा पूण भुरगीं दिश्टीच पडना
Can you imagine Abraham's mindset?
तुमी चिंतूंक शकता एब्राहिमाच्या मोतीन कितें चलता
He's
तें?
getting promise after promise,
बासावणी फाटल्यान बासावणी मेवता
but he's not getting the promise before his very eyes.
पूण दोळ्या मुखार ताका दिश्टी पडन ती घडटा ती
How many of you feel the same in your life?
कितले जाणांक तुमकां अशें दिसता तुमच्या
I'm
जिवितांत
getting a
घडटा
promise
म्हणून?
after promise.
बासावणी फाटल्यान बासावणी
God
मेवता
is speaking that he's going to make me the head and not the tail.
देव म्हाका बागणी दिता की तो म्हाका तकली कोता शेपडी न्हय
God is speaking to me that those who have put you to shame, I'm going to honor you before their very eyes.
देव तुका असं सांगता की जे कोण तुका लोचन घातलेले आसा तेंच्या दोळ्या मुखारच हांव तुका मान दितलो
God is
म्हणून
promising you that you are going to be healed and going to be sound in mind.
देव तुका अशी बासावणी दिता की तुका पेकोणी मेवतली म्हणून बरो आसतलो तो मोती
That you're going to have the best house.
आणि बरी घर आसतली तुजे
You're going to be
कडेन
having the best car.
उत्तम गाडी आसतली म्हणून तुजे कडेन
You're getting the promises.
तुका बासावणी
You
मेवता
receive the word.
घेता तू उतर ते भितर
It seems to be just there.
पूण थंयच आसा कशें दिसता तें
After a few months, when you feel low,
थोड्या म्हयन्यांनी जेन्ना तुका दिसता सारकें सकयल कशें
again somebody comes and says, "There's a promise for you."
आनी कोणी येवन तुका बासावणी दिलेली आसा
Again, you
देवान
feel little hurt.
आनी तुका मातशें बरें कशें
After
दिसता
a few months, again you begin to feel low.
थोड्या म्हयन्या उपरांत परते तुका सकयल कशें दिसता
Again, somebody comes and says, "God's going to bless you,"
आनी कोणी येवन म्हणटा देव तुजी बेसांव घालतलो
and you feel good.
आनी तुका बरें दिसता
That's exactly what's Abraham's story.
तशीच जावन आसा इब्राहिमाची काणी
But the beauty of it is in that entire promises,
पूण सोबीत काय पळोवंक गेले ते
in that
सगळे
entire
बासावणी
list that God is going on speaking to him and speaking to him.
चौकलीची लिस्ट देव ताका सांगत आसा उलयत आसा
In all that disappointment time,
ते सगळे निराशेपणाच्या वेळार
he has not stopped giving.
तो तेणे दिवपाचे बंद करूंक ना
He has not stopped sowing.
तेणे रोवपाचे बंद करूंक
He
ना
did not stop. Sometimes we get so discouraged,
केन्ना
right?
केन्ना आमी कितली निराश जाता न्हू
When things are not happening the way we want, we get discouraged. That's normal.
जेन्ना वस्ती आमकां जाय त्या भशेन घडना ते आमी निराश जाता ते साधारण जावन आसा
We all go through times of discouragements.
आमी सगळीं जाण ते निराशेपणाच्या वेळासान पासर जाता
And Abraham could have said, Deva, हांव रोयत हा, फळां तूं दीच. What's the point of giving? I'm not going to give now anymore.
दिवन कितें वालोर दिवन कितें फायदो हांव आनीक दिवची ना
But Abraham kept giving.
पूण इब्राहिम दीत रावलो
He kept sowing.
तो रोयत रावलो
I want to tell you today,
हांव तुमकां सांगूंक सोदतां
you should never stop sowing.
तुवें रोवपाचें केन्नाच बंद
Because
करूंक
no
जायना
matter what happens?
कित्याक कितेंय घडो न्ही
God, when He speaks a promise over your life,
देव जेन्ना भासावणी उलयता तुज्या जिविताचेर
it is God who fulfills that promise in your life.
देव तो भासावणी पुरावी कोत्तोच तुज्या जिवितान
It's not man,
मनीस न्हय तो
it is God who will do it for you.
पूण देव कोत्तलो तुज्या
So
पासो
we see now in Genesis 15:9 to 10, again Abraham is giving.
तर आमी पळयता उत्पत्तीच्या पुस्तकान 15 एब्राहिम परतो दिता
Now Genesis 18, now he's reaching somewhere now from, he was 75 when he received the promise.
आतां 75 वर्साचो असलो ताका भासावणी मेळ्ळी तेन्ना
Now he's reached somewhere in the 90s.
आतां तो 90 वर्साचो जाल्लो आसा
He's reaching close to 99.
आतां 90 वर्साचो जाल्लो
Can you
आसा
imagine? Now 20 वर्सां मायज जालीं आतां तो भासावणी आयकत हा तो रोयत हा. Now have you ever gone through that time, 20 years of waiting?
तुमी असले
25 years of waiting, and in that waiting you're sowing, and every time the pastor comes or the preacher comes and says, God is with you, don't be afraid. All the seed that you've sown, it's going to be multiplied. And you say, yes, but 20 years have passed. I'm getting old.
हांव जाणटो जाता
I don't have that strength anymore.
आतां ती बळ ना आनी ताकद ना म्हाज्या भितर
And that too, he's supposed to remove babies.
आनी आतां भुरग्यांक दिवपाचो आहा तो
I'm getting old, man.
जाणटो जाता
My wife, how can she get babies now?
म्हाजी बायलेक आतां कशी भुरगीं जातली
Can you imagine that?
तुमी चिंतूंक शकता
He's
काय
reached now, more than 20 years have passed. Genesis 18 now again.
आतां 20 वर्सां मायज जाल्लेली आसा आनी 18व्या 20 वरान पळय तो परते
And now see what I want you to see in Genesis 18 when he is giving, see the heart that he has of giving.
18व्या 20 वरान पळोवंक गेले जेन्ना तो दिता पळय तेजें कांयच कशें तें
Genesis 18 verse 2 to 8.
2 ते 8वी वर
So he lifted his eyes and looked, and behold, 3 men were standing by him. And when he saw them, he ran from the tent door to meet them and bowed himself to the ground. He said, My Lord, if I have now found favor in your sight, do not pass on your servant. Please let a little water be brought and wash your feet and rest yourself under the tree. And I will bring a morsel of bread that you may refresh your heart. After that you may pass by, inasmuch as you have come to your servant. He said, Do as you have said. So Abraham hurried into tent to Sarah and said, Quickly make ready 3 measures of fine meal, knead it and make.
You see now Abraham, see the heart of giving, huh?
But
First
Abraham-
and foremost,
पयली म्हटल्यार
he sees those 3 guys.
तो पळयता त्या तिगी मनशां
He doesn't wait for them to come to him.
तो रावना ते तेजे सरशी येवपाक
He's running to them.
तो धांवता तेंचे
And he's saying,
सरशी
you know what, let me serve you.
आनी तो म्हणटा पळय म्हाका तुमची चाकरी करूंक दी
Let me wash your feet.
तुमचे पांय धुवंक दी
Let me give you something to eat.
कितें म्हणी हावपाक दिवंक दी
I don't think we would have. By 20-25 years now have passed.
20
ते-
25 वर्सां आतां जालेली आसा आनी आमी म्हणटली
तेंका जाय जाल्यार येवंक दी. आनी कितें कालचे कोडी कितें आहा जाल्यार दिवया तेंका. But you know what Abraham says?
पूण इब्राहिम कितें म्हणटा
He
जाणा
runs to his wife.
तो धांवता आपले बायले
He
सरशी
runs to Sarah
तो वयता साराशे
and he tells her,
आनी तो सांगता तेका
you know, the version usually says, quick, 3 shears of fine flour. But in another version it says, give me 3 portions of the best flour.
म्हणले बरे पिठाचो कुडको दी म्हाका
Best, give me the best flour you have.
सारखे उत्तम जे पीठ आसा तितूंतले करून दी
How many of us know when we go to the Pasarkar, some of them put milawat in the flour? Am I right? Not always you'll get the best.
सदां थंय बरें मेवता अशें ना पसरकारा कडेन
But there's sometimes that you have to pay more for the best.
पूण केन्ना केन्ना चड फारीक करचें पडटा बरें उत्तम मेवपाक
To get to something good, you pay good.
कितें बरें मेवपाक तुवें बरें फारीक करूंक जाय
Now Abraham is saying, give them the best flour.
आतां इब्राहिम म्हणटा तिंका बरें उत्तम ते पिठाचें करून दी
And he's not just doing it susegada. It says he runs quickly. He's quick. He's saying, come on, fast forward. Zata title begyan kod maka tenka dorung naka chodre. I want to give them the best. I don't want to keep them waiting.
म्हाका तिंका रावंक दवरूंक नाका हांव तिंका बरें ते उत्तम ते दिवंक सोदता बेगीन कर
Then he goes further in verse 7.
And Abraham ran to the herd, took a tender and good
Now, how
calf.
old is he?
आता कितली वर्सां जालेली आसा तेका
He's approximately in his mid 90s.
95 वर्षां जालेली आसा तेका
And he's saying he ran.
आणि अशें म्हटलेलें आसा तो धांवलो.
Can you imagine an old man running?
तुम्ही चिंतूंक शकता तो जाणटो मनीस आनी धांवलो तो.
And that to those days they did not have pants. They were wearing those long gowns. Can you imagine running with that?
ते लांब कपडे लांब इस्तीद आसताले ते.
वयर काडून धांवचे पडले ताणे. But the Bible says he ran.
पूण बायबल म्हणटा की तो
You see, he was so
धांवलो.
excited to give.
तो इतको उर्बेवंत आसलो दिवपाक.
And then he says he ran quickly. It says, and Abraham ran to the herd and took a calf, tender and good. Avi bore masache, best meat, the best meat.
सारखे उत्तम मासाचे.
And what Abraham is, what he's saying here is, for these guests, he's giving them the best meat.
आणि अशें म्हटलें आसा की इब्राहिम ह्या मनशांक जे येयलेले तेजे चडशी तेंकां तो सारको बरें उत्तम मास दिता.
In verse 8 he says, then he took curds and milk and the calf, okay, that he had prepared and set it before them and stood by them under the tree as they ate. Now he's a rich man
आतां गिरेस्त मनीस
and he's waiting to serve.
आनी तो रावलेलो आसा तेंची
He's a
चाकरी
giver.
करपाक. तो दिवपी पळय.
Promises have not yet been fulfilled.
बासावणी अजूनय पुरावी जावन
But he's a
पोवंक ना.
giver.
पूण तो देणार.
And not just a lazy giver.
आनी बेश्टो एक हावशी दिनार न्हू.
Not just a person who says, आतां बॅग पासार जाता पळय, ल्हान कितें ल्हान मेवता तें काडे आनी okay. Sometimes before, when I did not know Jesus,
जेन्ना हांव जेजू गावको नासलेलो
when we would go for all these religious things,
आनी जेन्ना धर्मीक वस्तींक वयतालो
we would have money divided. व्हडले नोट इन्या आनी ल्हान नोट इन्या. तें बॅग पासार जाता तेन्ना ल्हान नोटी कडेन हात घालपाचो. सोदपाची पासून गरज ना. तयार करूनच येतालें कितलें खंयचर. The best. Abraham gave his best. He had not seen the promises of God.
इब्राहिमाक पळोवंक तेणे उत्तम ते दिले तेणे अजुनूय पळोवंक नासलो बासावणी पुराय
God
जाता
kept promising and promising and promising.
देव तेका बासावणी फाटल्यान बासावणी दीत रावलो.
Now he's reached an old age
आतां सारको जाणटो जाल्लो
and he's
आसा
still not seeing those babies that are promised.
आनी अजुनूय तेणे ती भुरगीं पळोवंक जी देवान तेका बासायलेली.
But he has not lost the heart to give.
पूण अजून तेणे कांय शेणोवंक ना
Maybe there's
दिवपाचें.
some of you in this place, God has promised you and promised you and promised you.
जायत गो तुमी थोडी जाणां अशें आसा की देवान तुमकां बासावणी दिलेली आसा बासावणी दिलेली
And maybe
आसा.
because of these years that have passed by, you're feeling so discouraged today.
आनी इतकी वर्सां आतां पासर जालेली आसा म्हणून तुका सारकी निराशी कशी दिसताय.
But I want to tell you today,
पूण आयज हांव तुका सांग
if God did it for Abraham,
देवान तर एब्राहिमाक ते केले.
if God did it for Isaac,
देवान तर ते आयजेकाक केले.
if God did it for Jacob,
देवान तर ते जेकबाक केले.
if God did it for all those people in the Bible,
सगळे ते लोक बायबलान बरयले आसा तेंचे पासत केले देवान.
I tell you something today.
हांव तुमकां आयज कितें सांगता.
You and I are also very special people.
तू आनी हांव सामकी मोलादीक मनशां.
Why?
कित्याक
Because of the blood of Jesus, you and I have become very special people.
जेजूच्या रक्ताक लागून तू आनी हांव सामकी मोलादीक जालेली
And if
आसा.
God did it for them, He is going to do it for you.
आनी देवान तर तेंच्या पासत केले देव तुज्याय पासत
And that's
करतलो.
why don't lose your heart to keep sowing.
आनी त्या खातीर तूं तुजें कांय शेणू नाका रोयत रावपाक.
Don't stop sowing.
रोवपाचें बंद कर नाका.
Because the heart of giving is more important than the giving.
कित्याक दिवपाचें कांय जें आसा तें चड म्हत्वाचें जावन
Let
आसा
me say
दिवपा
that
परस.
again. Let me say it again.
परतो सांग सोदता.
The heart of giving is more important than the act of giving.
तुजें कांयच दिवपाचें ते कर्तुवा परस व्हडतें जावन आसा दिवपाच्या.
Sometimes we give,
केन्ना केन्ना आमी दिता
but we don't give it with a full heart.
पूण आमच्या सगळ्या काळजान सान दिना.
You see, that heart of giving should be there.
ते कांयच दिवपाचें आसूंक जाय.
Abraham had a heart to give.
एब्राहिमाचें कांयच तशें आसलेलें
He had a
दिवपाक.
heart to give.
तेजें तसं कांयच आसलेलें
And
दिवपाक.
because he had that heart that said, I'm going to give no matter what,
आनी तेजें अशें कांयच आसलेलें की हांव दितलो कितेंय जावं न्ही.
that's why God's eyes were always on him.
त्या ती देवाची नदर सदांच तेजेर आसलेली.
And then we see very soon after that,
आनी आमी पळयता रोखडेंच त्या उपरांत
now God is blessing Abraham.
आतां देव बेसांव घालता इब्राहिमाची.
Now he gets to see not babies, but just one baby.
आतां आमी पळयता ताका चड भुरगीं जावन पूण एकूच भुरगो जाता.
Only one.
एकटोच.
Waited 25 years just to see one baby.
25 वर्सां तर रावलो फक्त एकूच भुरगो पळोवपाक.
And that too now God is saying in Genesis 22, now God is saying, I gave you one baby, I want that one baby back.
आतां 22व्या वर्सांत देव म्हणटा हांवें तुका एकूच भुरगें दिलेलें सांग म्हाका ते एकूच भुरगें तुजे कडच्यान जाय.
I gave you Isaac, now give me back that Isaac.
हांवें तुका आयजेक दिलो आतां तो परतो आयजेक म्हाका दी.
what would you and I have done?
तूं आनी हांव कितें करपाचो?
I tell you, we would have been so broken.
हांव तुका सांगता आमी सामकी निराशेदार
We would have
मरपाचीं.
lost faith.
भावार्थूच शेणोवपाचीं.
First and foremost, before Isaac was even born, we would have given up on God.
आयजेक जल्मच्या आदींच आमी सोडून दिवपाचे देवाचेर.
But Abraham kept trusting his God.
पूण एब्राहीम फाटीर रावलो, विश्वासांत
Now
रावलो
I'm
देवाचेर.
speaking to somebody in this place today.
हांव कोणा कडेन पूण उलयता आयज ह्या
Maybe God
जाग्यार.
has spoken to you in your spirit.
जायत करून देव तुजे कडेन उलयलो आसा तुज्या
And you have
आत्म्यान.
been waiting for
आनी तूं
years.
इतकी वर्सां रावलेलो आसा.
But God is speaking a promise over your life.
पूण देव बासावणी उलयता तुज्या
And He's
जिविताचेर.
telling you,
आनी तो तुका सांगता
don't change your heart of giving.
तुजें कांयच तूं बदल नाका दिवपाचें.
Give with all your heart.
तुजे सगल्या काळजान संदी.
And you will see every promise fulfilled in your life.
आनी तूं पळयतलो दर एक बासावणी पुरावी जावन येता तुज्या
You see,
जिवितांत.
when you open to Genesis 21 verse 1.
And the Lord visited Sarah as he had said, and the Lord did for Sarah as he had spoken.
I like that promise. I want you to remove that word Sarah out and put your name.
म्हाका जाय तें तुमी उतर सारा नांव जें आसा सारा तें काडलें आनी तुजें नांव घातलेलें थंय.
Now read it
आतां वाच.
with your name.
तुजें नांव घालून.
And the Lord visited Vinanti as he has said, and the Lord did for Vinanti as he has spoken.
Put your name there.
तुजें नांव घाल त्या जाग्यार.
And the Lord visited dash as he had said.
आनी देव मेवल तेका गेल तेका मेवपाक जे भशेन सांगलेलें.
And the Lord did to dash as he had promised.
आनी देवान तुजे पासून केल्लें जशें सांगलेलें
That's
बासायलेलें.
going to be your story.
ती तुजी काणी जातली.
That's going to be your story.
ती तुजी काणी
That's going to
जातली.
be your story.
तशी तुजी काणी
That's
जातली.
going to be your story.
ती तुजी काणी जातली.
Don't stop giving.
पूण दिवपाचें बंद करूं नाका.
Let our heart be stirred to give.
आमी आमचें कांयच घडोवया दिवपाक.
Let our heart be stirred to bless.
आमी आमचें कांयच घडोवया बेसांव
Let us
घालपाक.
be like Abraham.
आमी इब्राहिमा भशेन
He's in
जावया.
his 90s.
तो आतां 90 वर्सांचो जालोलो
Anybody here
आसा.
who's in their 90s, in
कोणाक
their 94, 95,
कोणाक असो आसा 90 आनी 4 वर्सां 90 आनी 5 वर्सांचो.
94, 95, and he's running to serve those three people.
90 आनी 5 वर्सां जालो आसा तो धांवता त्या चाकरी करपाक 3 मनशांची.
94, 95.
90 आनी 4 90 आनी 5 वर्सां
When your body is getting frail,
जेणे सारकी कूड ओस्कोत
but
जाता.
his spirit has not gone frail.
पूण तेजो आत्मा ओस्कोत जावंक ना.
He's excited to bless.
तो उर्बेवंत आसा बेसांव
He's
घालपाक.
excited to give.
तो उर्बेवंत आसा दिवपाक.
And that's why we see God changing his story
आनी
at
त्या
the end.
खातीर आमी पळयता देव काणी बदलता तेजी
That
शेवटाक.
dead womb of Sarah
तो मेलोलो कुसवो साराचो
was brought back to life.
आमी पळयता परतो जिवो जावन येता.
His frail body,
तेजी ओस्कोत कूड
his dead, as good as dead body.
सारकी मेलेलीच कशी कूड.
From that came forth Isaac.
तितून सान आयसेक येयलो.
And today we see a great people group called Israel.
आनी आयज आमी पळयता ते व्हडते राष्ट्र व्हडतो जमो लोकांचो इस्रायल नांवाचो.
Today we see that nation of Israel shining forth.
आयज आमी पळयता ते इस्रायलचे राष्ट्र सारके चकचकता ते.
Today we see that nation of Israel has a blessing to the world today.
आयज आमी पळयता ते इस्रायलचे राष्ट्र आसा ते बेसांव संवसारा
Today the
पासून.
world owes so much to that nation of Israel.
संवसार पळोवंक गेले कितले रीण आसा इस्रायलचे राष्ट्राचेर.
But it began as a promise to a man called Abraham,
पूण ती बासावणी कमी जाली एब्राहिमा
who
कडची.
was 75 years.
70 आनी 5 वर्साचो आसलोलो.
Who for 25 years nearly waited and waited and waited and
तो
waited.
सुमार 25 वर्सां रावलो रावलो आनी रावलो.
But as he was waiting,
पूण जसो तो रावलो
he kept sowing and sowing and sowing and sowing.
तो रोयत रावलो रोयत रावलो रोयत रावलो रोयत रावलो.
I'm speaking to somebody in this place.
हांव कोणा कडेन पण उलयता आयज ह्या
Maybe
जाग्यार.
you're waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting.
जायत कर तूं रावलोलो आसा रावलोलो आसा रावलोलो आसा रावलोलो
But I
आसा.
want to speak to you today
हांव तुका आयज उलयता
and tell you,
आनी सांगूंक सोदता.
don't stop sowing, sowing, sowing.
तूं बंद कर नाका रोवपाचो रोवपाचो आनी रोवपाचो.
And you will see God's favor shine over you.
आनी तूं पळयतो देवाचो फावट चकचकता तो
Before
तुजी.
those very people that put you to shame,
ज्या लोकांनी तुका लोचीन घातलो त्याच लोकां मुखार
God will prosper you.
देव तुका फळादीक करतलो.
Before those very people that mocked you,
तेच लोक जिने तुका तुजी फकाणां केली
God is going to make you shine.
देव तुका चकचकूंक लायतलो.
Before those very people that laughed at you and said nothing good will ever happen,
तेच लोक जे तुजेर हांसले आनी म्हटले कांयच बरें जावचें ना तुज्या जिवितांत.
God is going to honor you.
देव तुका मान दितलो
In
तेंच्या
fact,
मुखार.
Sarah says at the end,
सारा शेवटाक अशें म्हणटा
would anyone have thought that I would get a child from Abraham?
कोण पूण चिंतलो आसलो की म्हाका भुरगें जातलें एब्राहिमा कडच्यान?
Would anyone have thought that you would be blessed the way you are today?
कोणी पूण चिंतलेलें आसतलें की तुजेर बेसांव येतलें ज्या भाशेन आतां आसा?
When you look at your life, you're going to be a testimony that says those words.
जेन्ना तूं आपल्या जिविताक पळयता तूं गोंयाकी जातली जी उतरां उलयतली.
Where you will look at your situation and say, would anyone have ever thought that I would be blessed the
तूं
way I
आपल्या
am?
परिस्थितीक पळोवन म्हणटलो कोणे पूण चिंतलें आसतलें काय की हांव इतलें आशिर्वादीत जातलें जितकें हांव आसा?
Don't stop giving.
दिवपाचें बंद करूं नाका.
And when you sow,
आनी जेन्ना तूं रोयता
God's principle stands true.
देवाचो नेम सदांच सदां उरता.
Sow
रोय
and you reap.
आनी तूं फळ पळयतलो.
According to the seed you sow,
ज्या भाशेन तूं बी रोयता
that seed will be the fruit that you will get.
त्याच बिया प्रमाणे तूं फळ पळयतलो.
According to what you sow
जे कितें रोयता त्या
is
प्रमाणे
what you're going to get.
तेंच तुका मेळटलें.